Baby Shark? Wag na muna yun. Uy, alas 10 na pala, no? Alas 10 na pala, no, guys? Paano ba yan? It's already alas 10. Sakto pala yung pag-live ko, guys. Connect to a device, play from another, restart your speaker. Don't see your device? Yeah, I can see my device. Spotify connect. Never mind. Oh no! Nawala yung TikTok. Hindi ko na makita. Raps ba? Ano sabi nila? Bro, we met so many times. Wait. Oh! Yeah, bro. I know, right? We met sa ano rin, Soler. We met there too, right? Oh my God, you're so lucky, bro. Like, really. Yan. Let me... Bro, what? Ano laga, bro? Naka-brace ulit, yes! It's almost 2 weeks, I think, since naka-brace ako. Why is it... What happened? Why is it not like... Multo. Ano yan? Zero by... Wait, what? Nawala na. Hindi na nakita. Please lang wag ka mag-end. I'm not gonna end yet. It's too early. Like, almost like parang ilang hours. Try the Gabrielo dance. Like, this one. Like, parang ganun dito. Pair device allow. Of course. Connection succeeded. Okay, that's good, bro. Then why is still like what? Bro.
I'm wishing there was more time to maybe catch another sunrise. But I think I'm on the next flight. A little late to press rewind, cause my honesty is trending. My pockets getting full, but I still feel empty. I know I should be flexing.
Hands up, Gabriela. Yeah. What song is that? This song? It's Airplane Mode by Haiti.
I'm dreaming on a red eye as reality seems to fly by. I miss texting my best friends, but my phone's on airplane mode.
Yan.
And I feel so alone.
Galing mo, Coach Jiro. Thank you so much. Lapit ng second anniversary niyo, Jiro. Yeah, like on July 24. Yeah, July 24, 2023 is our debut date. And then next month it will be our second anniversary. And I'm not gonna spoil anything. Para hindi lang masyado mataas yung kasi me too. As members, we're not sure yet. Yeah. I miss your Dreammaker era days. Yeah, me too actually. Dahil nag-live si Jero, walang matulog. O nga pala, yung ibang mga tao dito, may na. May pasok na, di ba? Oh, lang yan. Oh. The braces, yeah. Nakaraan pa ako naka-braces, guys. Legit. Wait. Wala na. Anong meaning ng song Jiro? I actually don't know because it's just random. It's like maybe it's about friends, I think. I'm not sure.
Something that's good can't come fast enough, but I'm getting
Bakit wala ka pasok, Chiro? Guys, I already told you guys, di ba? I stopped. But like, I'll go back to school. Back to school ka na rin, Chiro. Yeah, I'll go back to school na, guys. Soon, yeah.
I'm dreaming on
Color of brackets is just, it's, call that, it's just clear for now. And then maybe next
best friends, but my phone's on.
Next na ko, like, balik ko sa dentist, it will be black. May pumasok ka. Sabi ko tutulog na ako, pero nakita ko live mo ha. Sorry na.
See everyone waiting.
Balik ba kayo sa Corregera? Sana. You're still in Korea? No, we're in the Philippines right now. Right now. Nakamiss yung baby tiger namin. Yeah. Yung baby tiger niya kasi hindi na baby, no? Okay lang yan. At least, you guys can still, kahit I'm not baby tiger, guys, you can call me baby na lang. Eh! Joke lang.
Of course I do. Try not to think about
Guys can,
it, but of course I do. Haven't tried moving on without you.
you guys can still call me, baby tiger, guys. Don't worry. What's up, Nubana? Nubana, Titarks, nandito ka ulit. Why you always watch my live, ha?
Some kind of sign.
Kailangan magpapasumba. Guys, actually, sinabi sa akin ni Mami yun. May nagsasabi na like, magpasumba naman ako. Magpasumba. Sabi ko, pag-isipan ko. It's like, I don't know. Isang roar naman dyan, roar. Uy, nagalit ako sa inyo sa SM North. Bakit? Bigla kayo dumaan sa harap namin. Ba't ka nagalit? Bakit to? Nilo ka ba namin?
Have to make brand new friends to get to.
Ba't ka nagalit sa amin? Wala naman kami ginagawang masama. Ano?
It'll be alright. Just take my hand.
And holding time.
I will protect you all around you. I will be here. Don't you cry.
Wait, what? Ang sabi?
For once, so
Nag-utak na ba yung Horizon? Guys, that'll never happen. Hindi mangyayari yun, guys.
keep you safe.
Hindi mangyayari yun, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Even though we're like isang hirap, it'll never happen, guys, because us 7, we don't like na magwatak-watak kami, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. Hindi kami titigil. Lahat kami magkakasama lagi. Never mangyari yung watak, guys. Ganun. Wala. Hindi mangyari.
The middle of the night. Once you left, I went. It's 12:45 on a Tuesday. I don't really care what you say.
Mag-Roblox ka, Jiro? I don't wanna play right now. I'm not in the mood. I'm just a biggest fan. Hi, thank you so much. Pito hanggang dulo. I'm seeing Pito hanggang dulo. Yes, that's right, guys. As Horizon. Ano haircut mo? Wala pa eh. Nung before ako mag-dance class, nagpalinis lang ako ng gilid. Pero ang bilis yung mahabaw. Tingnan nyo. Baka gupit na ulit ako. Baka patanggal ko na to. Ayoko long back na. I want clean cut. Ito rin, papaiksi ako na to. Tingin ko hanggang lang, mata. Kasi tingnan mo, tingnan nyo nga haba, O, diba? Maybe until eye level lang yun. Ano next event nyo? Secret? It's a secret, guys. Pansin mo na ako, please. What's up, friends? Not yet. Wag mo na ngayon. But I want to try that haircut. Buzz cut, yeah. Try mo pa metallic G. What do you mean by that? You mean like the braces? Bicol next sana, Bicol. Asan si Kyler? I think he's right there sa room. Yeah. Guys, tanong nga ako sa inyo. May tatanong ako sa inyo. Kung magpapakulay ako, anong gusto nyo? Na buhok? Or you guys want my black hair muna? So actually, I'm not sure if I want to pakulay pa. Pero if magpapakulay ako, anong gusto nyo? Wag. Ay, di wag. Blue? You guys want... Wait, what? Red? Why? Do you guys want me to pakulay red? But I'm not that I'm not that puti. I don't think red will suit me. Ang daming red. Ba't mo gusto yun ng red? Ano, Christmas? Ay, tama. Blue, black.
45 on a Tuesday. I don't really care what you say. I'm just getting off my face tonight.
Pa-blue, black ba ako? Not sure I'm just asking if you guys, like, anong gusto nyong, kulay if magpakulay ako. I'm not sure pa naman. Burgundy? Okay, ash brown. Blue. Ang dami nagsabi blue. You guys want... Edit nyo nga yung buhok ko ngayon. Edit nyo. Pakulayan nyo ng blue. Hindi kasi maayos yung buhok ko eh. Edit nyo to ng blue ha. Ano ba pwede gawin? Edit nyo ng blue yun and then red rin, try nyo. Enhance braces, bagay sa'yo. Ash brown bagay sa akin. Yeah, I tried blue na. Mahogany, bro. What? What do you mean mahogany? What? Green? No, I'm not gonna try green, guys. Naging green yung buhok ko dati dahil nag-blow ko. Nag-fade siya, so naging kulay green. Dark blue. Oreo? What? What do you mean white, black? Nah. Ano nga mas bagay sa akin? Sabagay ba sa akin blue? Or ash gray? Or tayo yung bagay? Ay, joke lang. Ay, nako talaga. Bawal yun eh. Bawal yun eh. Ba't gumaganon? Guys, why are you guys telling me like mahogany? I don't even know mahogany. What is mahogany? But it sounds familiar, guys. Mahogany. Red wine? Red wine. Transparent. Skinhead na lang ako, guys. Gusto nyo? Pero parang gusto ko pa nga parang ipa-dark ba tong black na to eh. Kasi yung black na black. Because parang hindi siya hindi siya nag-fade na siya. White po bagay sa'yo, Kojiro. Nah, I don't want white. Kasi like, super sakit sa ulo nun. Super. Jiro, bye na. Bye po. Sleep na mi, Jiro. May school pa ako. Okay po, good night. Good night sa mga matutulog dyan. Pink? Pink is, I wanna try that too, actually. Lucky era hair, Jiro. Blonde na... Ay lang. Mata mo si Kim dito sa Bacolod. Ba't mo alam? Taga Bacolod ka ba? Sino gumawa ng hair mo? Ako. Stylist namin dati. At huwag ka nang magpakulay. Sige. Ayoko nga rin. Actually, I don't wanna pakulay. Pero, I don't know. I just wanna ask you guys if, ano magandang color sa akin. Pagpahingi mo muna hair mo, Jiro. Tama yan, tama. Kasi lagi na lang ako may kulay dati. Jiro, anything, pagod na ako sa buhay. Guys! Ito ano lang. Sabihin ko lang, if you guys are pagod na, and you guys can't stop doing what you're doing, manly ang naiisip ko, aray ko. Ayun, parang ano lang, when you got home, just try to listen to some music. Try to space out, like, alone. Try that. I'm always like that sometimes. You guys just, listen to music. And then, just, kung anong nakaka-comfort sa inyong music, just listen to it kasi that's what I'm doing when I'm tired. Yeah, ganun. Okay lang naman mapagod. Okay lang rin magpahinga. Pero ang hindi okay dyan, sumuko. Huwag ka lang suko kapag pagod ka. Pahinga ka. Pagod ka, magpahinga ka. Okay lang yun. If you stop, like, if you wanna stop, it's fine. Just take a rest muna. But after you get some rest, you continue what you're doing. So don't give up, guys. Huwag kayong magaganon, guys. Mali yun. Music heals. Yes, actually, that's true. That's true. Music heals, guys. That's kind of true. That's why, actually, before, I don't listen to music much, but I learned to hindi naman like hindi ko na-appreciate. Like, na-appreciate ko siya. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Korea, doon ko mas na-appreciate yung music. Kasi like parang na-stress rin ako nung dati sa Korea. So yun, kinig lang ako ng kinig sa music kapag stress, ganun. Sound trip ko lang. Tama. Try listening to couch. Wait, what couch? Ay guys, ano na dyan yung K-pop Demon Hunter? I watched it yesterday night or midnight or like madaling araw. I'm not sure, but yeah, I watched it. It's good. LPT na ako, Jiro. Batiin mo naman ako. What's that, LPT? Basta, okay, congratulations. Yung sumunod ko po, yeah, it's good. So, parang naganda ng yeah. It's good, guys. The K-pop Demon Hunter. You guys should watch it. I watched it na yesterday. It's so good. Hirap kumain kapag naka-braces. First 3 days ko nung nagpa-brace ulit ako, hindi ako hirap ako kumain pero kumakain pa rin ako. Kasi wala eh. Gusto ko kumain eh. Pero after 3 days, I can eat whatever I want na. 3 nung natanggalan na ako ng bracket dito sa may gilid. Kaya lagot na naman ako nito sa dentist ako. Lagi kahit dati. Dapat daw aquarium date sila. Sino yun? Food is life. Yeah, that's right. Food is life. Biceps reveal naman dyan. Yaka. Wag muna. Sa Korea ang dentist mo? No! My dentist is here in the Philippines. Night, playboom tarat-tarat na lang if you're tired na. Nah, I'm not tired, guys. I'm not tired. Wait, what? Jared, someone's trying to flirt with me. Tapos sabi ko, boyfriend ko. Wait. Is that right? I don't think that's right, guys. I mean, like, if someone's trying to flirt with you, like, you don't have to tell them that you have boyfriend. You can just reject them or not pansin them. I mean, don't pansin them is kinda, bad. Masama yun. Just tell them the truth. If you don't have boyfriend and you don't want yet, tell them. Always be honest, guys. Mahirap kapag hindi ka naging honest. Mas maganda maging honest ka, promise. Ooh, what's that? For the heart. It's my first time saying that. How's your idol life quiz? All I can say is hard. It's really hard. Especially when you guys are not debuted yet. It's very hard because like you have so many pressures. Because you have to become better and better in like in a few months kasi like you guys will debut na. Like that's the hardest part sa amin kasi like ilang months lang, not even half year ata, hindi pa kami after na manalo sa Dreammaker, not even half ng year kami nag-training pero yung debut agad. I'm not sure but yeah, daming pressure nun kasi you need to improve talaga ng malala kaagad. So for me, that's the hardest part. Yung getting ready to debut. Kasi there's a chance na you guys are not, like parang not sure pa, ng debut. I don't know. Kaya ayun, that's the hardest part for me. And right now, it's still hard. But it's not like the, improving as an idol, I mean, we're still improving as an idol right now, pero yung mahirap ngayon is iba. It's different. Oh, thank you for the teddy bear. Iba yung nag-lost weight ba kayo dun sa Korea? Super! Actually, no. Hindi pala ako nag-lose weight dun. Nadagdagan yung weight ko dun, guys, actually, kasi lumaki rin ako. Yung weight ko sa Dreammaker, it's 52. Pero, nung pumunta ako sa Korea, nag 55. 55. Pinakamataas ko sa Korea is 58. So after ko malaman yung weight ko nun, nag-diet kagad ako, and then umabot kagad ako ng 55. Tapos nung concert, I'm 52 na. So, ayun. Ngayon, I think I'm stable 53. Yeah. So yan, guys. So, yan. Guys, it's already, wait, what? Yan. It's already 12:21. So, papaalam na ako. And yung may mga pasok pa dyan, guys. Matulog na kayo kasi anong oras na wag na kayo magpuyat. Maaga pa kayo gigising bukas. Okay? So, yan. Good night, and thank you for spending time with me, guys. I love you all. So, ayun, ingat kayo palagi, and baka bukas try ko ulit mag-live. Love you. Bye-bye.